Bonit. Carlos PJ. Tuna. Gia. Richard. Ayan o, naka-tuna kami o. Mactuna. Bonito. Flatheads.
Fish on, Kuyang!
Lalaki.
Ano eh, kuya, last time tayo nila.
Ayos. Ayos. Si Pro J. Kadali. Ha? Bison ba?
Pony.
Kamakawala pa. Asa yung net?
Net, Pony. Pony oh. Ay, Pony.
Iangat mo na, pwede na. Pwedeng iangat, bro.
Dami lang. Asan yung net mo?
Tulungan mo, bro.
Asan yung net mo?
Ayun.
Ay, laki! Wow,
Ayos.
Mactuna.
Ha?
Mactuna.
Mactuna.
Yay! Nice!
Mactuna.
Mackie! Woohoo! Nice one, Jay.
Bro, ingat sa ako. Nice. Ayos. Ano ba yan? Tuna. Gia.
Yay!
Richard. Ayan o, naka-tuna kami o. Oh. Ayos. Okay.
Whoa! Bison, Kuyang! Nice one,
Ayos.
Jay. Nice one. Wow.
Ano? Ikutan uli natin. Ayan, bro. Barley kagad. Okay lang.
ginagamit natin?
Hindi yan, yung kwan.
Meron na. Vision! Vision, kayang! Uy! Uy! Mahi!
Ay, nakaharap pala yung camera.
Malapad din pala ito bro, no? Malapad ba yung camera?
Dito kumakagat yan. Diyan kumakagat yan.
Woo!
Ayos!
Yes, yes!
Fish on!
Uy, dalawa!
Puta ka na!
Dalawa, Jay! Wow! Uy, ayun ang mga mahabol, no? Mahabol din sa akin, may hahabol eh. Uy! Nice, nice! Nice! Putik! Saan, kuyang? Dalawa! Yay! Nice!
Ilarga mo yung kwan bro, ilarga mo. Hindi ganyan. Ganun mo lang. Oh, itayo mo. Meron ba yan?
Hinabol nga yun sa akin din eh. Hinabol niya eh.
Ayun yung flies. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Hindi nakakatinig yan bro. Hawakan mo lang, hawakan mo. Hawakan mo, hindi nakakatinig. O ayun pa. Isa pa. Ayun. Mahi-mahi, naging kilawin. Ayun oh. Invento ni Gio. Sarap. Ayan oh. Nagla-lunch kami. Ipakita mo. Bro Gia, ano yung mga ito? Dito? Makarel. Fish on!
Saan, kuyang?
Fish on! Ganado na si Kuya Jay. Wala. Tignan mo yung bait, baka ako. Tignan mo, andyan na yung kuhan.
Ayan pa, Jay. Sige, rin mo.
Eto. Woo! Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Ah? Dito ka, bro. Ayos. Ano yan, bro? Ah? Ano yan? Kingfish. Kingfish. Oh.
Wow!
Kingfish nga. Ay, bonito.
Aba! Nasaan yung sangit? Ito na. Uy! Yan! Wow! Aba, oh! Mga kabro, may bonito na. Jay! Aba!
Bonito! To, bonits! Ah. Ayos! Ayos! Natali. Ayos!
Dito lang pa yung bonito eh.
Ayos! To, bonits! Nakaulis ko yung Jay! Ayos! Okay, tapos na uli ang pag-fishing. Wala, boundary. Baka mag-over the limit pa. May kalaban na dumating. Next time uli, next week. Ayos, successful na naman ang pag-fishing namin. Alright. Later.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. 'Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, 'cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Ayun na. Ayun, ayun. Not too bad. Mactuna, bonito, flatheads, yung mahi-mahi nasa loob na ng tiyan namin. Ayan, pinagbibili nila oh. Ha?